Are you looking for a mirrorless camera? In this video, I will show you the best mirrorless cameras for all-rounders based on my personal opinion and hours of research. As always, if you would like more information and updated pricing on the products in this video, be sure to check out all links in the description down below. On number 4, we've got the Fujifilm X-T4. The Fujifilm X-T4 takes things up another notch compared to the Fujifilm X-T3. Practically everything we wanted in the X-T3 is here, including in-body stabilization, a very angled touchscreen display, and better battery life. But we still want more, of course, including a better buff depth in continuous shooting mode. But that would just be the icing on the cake. The X-T4 isn't just a terrific stills camera, of course. It also has cutting-edge 4K video performance with 60p 10-bit internal recording. The only shame is that Fujifilm dropped the headphone socket, so you'll need an adapter for that right now. Then on number 3, we've got the Olympus OMD M5 Mark III. The Olympus M5 is an exceptional camera and a worthy successor to the highly regarded Olympus OMD M5 Mark II. This new camera uses Olympus' latest 20.4 megapixel micro four thirds sensor. And while this might put some people off, these sensors are smaller than APS-C. The image quality is very close to APS-C standards, and it allows Olympus cameras and lenses to be especially small and portable. This new camera's abilities are amazing, including excellent 5.5 EV in body stabilization, an amazing 30 FPS Pro capture mode with 14-shot pre-buffering, C4K and 4K UHD video, live composite and live bulb modes, and way more. The smaller sensor might put some users off, but no other mirrorless camera has this blend of features, performance, and compactness. On number 2, we've got the Nikon Z50. The Nikon Z50 was introduced in late 2019, joining Nikon's more advanced full-frame Z6 and other Z models. The Z50 proved quickly to be far more than just a stripped-back version of these bigger cameras though. Nikon managed to work a satisfying chunky hand grip onto the small frame for a superior handling experience, while also including 11 FPS burst shooting for action photography and high quality 4K video. Best of all is the 1650mm pancake kit lens available as a part of the kit, and the price, which has clearly been specifically tailored to undercut similar offerings from Fujifilm and Olympus. The Z50 is a superb but affordable camera for a wide range of photographers at all sorts of skill levels. And then on number 1, we've got the Fujifilm X-T30. The X-T30 has the second highest resolution APS-C sensor currently on the market, and one of the most highly sophisticated autofocus systems. The X-T30 combines a compact body, affordable price, and powerful photographic tools. It's small, portable, and easy to use, but with 4K video and its external shutter speed and aperture controls, it's a great buy for both video fans and regular stills photographers. Some might find the X-T30's body just a little too small, but we reckon its blend of size, value, and performance make the X-T30 one of the best mirrorless cameras on the market for all-round appeal. And that's it for the best mirrorless cameras for all-rounders. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and as always, I'll leave links to all of the products in this video in the description down below. With that being said, make sure you go check that out for updated info and pricing, and then I'll see you in the next video.